Welcome to Shiva's Annapurneshwari channel. Today we're cooking one of the most loved and tasty food item in India, Gajar Ka Halwa. If you love sweet dish with dry fruits, this dish will win any heart as it is extremely delicious and tasty. As usual, make sure to keep all the ingredients ready so that there is no last-minute rush. Here's everything we'll need to make this rich dish. Carrots, sugar, ghee, milk powder, almonds, cashew nuts, cardamom. Firstly, wash the carrots nicely in a little bit of baking soda mixed water so that it cleans off any toxins. After cleaning, we need to peel the carrots and remove the ends of carrots. Peel the carrots and grate them by hand using the larger holes of a standard grater. This helps create the perfect shredded texture without turning them into mush. We need to check how many ball of carrots have been shredded with the help of small ball. We have 4 ball of shredded carrots here. Switch on the gas stove and place a kadhai. Then add the shredded carrots in the kadhi. Make sure carrots is heated evenly by moving it well. Take 1 ball sugar for 4 ball of carrots. You can lower the sugar if there is someone in the family with diabetics. Add sugar to the well-heated carrots and mix the sugar well and let it heat. Meantime, we need to crush cardamom seeds in khalbatta, also known as mortar and pestle. In few minutes we will see sugar is nicely melted. Add 1 spoon of ghee to the mixture in the kadhai. Now add milk powder to water in a ball and mix it well. After proper mixing, add this mixture to the carrots in kadhai and mix the contents evenly. Till it heats up, chop the almonds and cashew nuts evenly in small pieces. Then, add almonds and cashew nut pieces to the heated carrot mixture. Also, you can add more dry fruits as per your taste. Now, at the very last, we need to add the crushed cardamom for flavor and close the gas stove so as not to heat anymore. Mix it well. Our delicious Gajar Ka Halwa is ready to be served. It is really satisfying to see, smell and taste the delicious Gajar Ka Halwa with loved ones. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to click on notification bell for more traditional Indian dishes. If you like the video, subscribe to our channel for such videos, share it with your friends and family, eat healthy, be happy and stay blessed.